This is my favorite lens for street photography with 3D printing. The lens was part of the smallest SLR system ever made, the Pentax 110. They are rarely adapted to mirrorless cameras, mostly because they are stuck wide open with no aperture control, thus limiting creative freedom. So I decided to bring it back to life, giving it the missing aperture control with 3D printing. The result? One of the most compact yet capable pancake setups that I've used for street photography. The two lenses I picked up are the 18mm f2.8 and the 24mm f2.8. I do realize the problem with the 24mm that my finger will always get in the way of my picture, so I made a focusing ring. In my opinion, that makes the camera looks even cooler. After shooting with these lenses for more than a year, I do find that the Pentax 110 is not the sharpest lens out there. It gives a little bit of a dreamy effect and makes it difficult to gauge for manual focusing. However, the image becomes sharper stopping down just like any other vintage lens out there. I have made the adapter for Micro Four Thirds mount and the X mount. There are a little bit of dark corners when I stop down the aperture with the APS-C sensor, but the corners are gone with the Micro Four Thirds sensor. So what do you think? Is this the perfect pancake lens for street photography and a cheaper alternative to the Ricoh GR? Or will you prefer the modern autofocus lens for street photography?